Hi there everyone, my name is Monica Joanna Alacave with Cure GABA-A, and I wanted to jump on here once a week or once every 2 weeks for about 5 minutes to go over all the exciting things that we've been working on as a nonprofit this week. All the information and links will be in the description box below. I wanted to share that our Cure GABA-A Awareness Day was an absolute success on 02/22. The Cure GABA-A Awareness Day video reached 470 views on YouTube and thousands of impressions over the social media platforms. 58 of you shared the video on your personal platforms and wrote the most encouraging messages. We are a force, and together we will find translational treatments for our children. And on that note, I wanted to take a moment to really honor our very own Spain ambassadors, Laura and her husband, for their remarkable achievements in their progression of a gene therapy for their daughter, Carmen, and GABRB3. The researchers are working in collaboration with the Cure GABA-A Scientific Advisory Board, and Laura and her husband's achievements are truly remarkable. This was all achieved by firstly donating Carmen's biosample so that iPSCs, which are induced pluripotent stem cells, can be made and reprogrammed into any cells. Why is this important? Well, because we can test drugs on these cell lines. Without the preclinical data that we had on Ravicti, PBA, we would not be able to be in a clinical trial. So we can study small molecules, for example, Ravicti, or drugs like a gene therapy on these cell lines. To donate your biosamples, please click on the link below. With that, Cure GABA-A traveled to Nashville, Tennessee to sit down with our very own Dr. Terry Jo Bichel, a member of our Scientific Advisory Board and Combined Brain. The sole focus of Cure GABA-A is to create translational therapies for GABA-A variants. So if you are interested to donate to our biobank, please click on the link below. Also this past week, Cure GABA-A traveled to Atlanta, Georgia, where we met with Dr. Zhang. Dr. Zhang has joined our recommended physicians list. He is a board-certified pediatric epileptologist and neurologist at the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. Throughout his career, Dr. Zhang has developed the Pediatric Epilepsy Surgery Program and served as director of the Epileptic Epilepsy Program. Dr. Zhang has published more than 20 papers in leading journals and has presented his work at national and international meetings. His papers are related to epilepsy genetics, pharmacologic treatment of epilepsy, ketogenic diets, and intensive care unit EEG. Cure GABA-A has been relentlessly compiling a funding project through Class C and grant proposals. This week, with the help of our Scientific Advisory Board, we have submitted a grant proposal to CZI, which is the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative for grant funding over 5 years. The earliest notification on decisions will be early August 2024, but we cannot wait until then to see if we have received this grant. That is why Cure GABA-A has onboarded a free platform to caregivers called Classy, where caregivers can set up their own fundraising platform under Cure GABA-A. We encourage you to set up an individual or a team page. We have so many goals because we are a diverse community, and together we are moving at tremendous speeds. If you need any help onboarding to Classy, please reach out to Augustina at curegaba.org. And if you have a skill that would be helpful for our community, please share it. We are actively looking for volunteers as we are growing at a tremendous speed. We have some amazing women who have joined Cure GABA-A, and we are excited to introduce them to you next week. As always, there is so much more to share, but for now, remember, your voice is important, your story is important, and your data is important. Share it. Bye.